Presentations are an essential part of professional and academic careers as they make content delivery efficient and improve human cognition with the help of stunning graphics. However, the task can be challenging and demanding when it comes to making a presentation because only some people are good at comprehending and aligning graphics. This is where Word to PowerPoint AIs extend their support. Today's topic of our video is parallel to this, and we will discuss one of such AI presentation makers, Wondershare Edraw Mind, renowned for its brilliance and precision. It utilizes the power of artificial intelligence to understand human commands in the form of words and automatically generates mind maps for PowerPoint slideshows for diverse categories, unlike ChatGPT. Although ChatGPT is a developing sensation for content generation, it is not as directed as Edraw Mind in creating AI-induced presentations. Now that we proceed to the primary part of the video, viewers need to know why Edraw Mind's PowerPoint AI tool should be their first choice. An AI presentation maker is only useful if it speeds up productivity and work efficiency. With this tool, you can create beautiful presentations in seconds and focus on other areas of your business or education. Many AI presentation tools do not possess the ability to facilitate users with PowerPoint templates. However, this tool automatically generates templates that are compatible with PowerPoint, so you don't have to go through the process of converting slides into PowerPoint format. In addition, it has a prompt limit of up to 500 words, which means users can communicate their ideas thoroughly for precise results. Another reason for preferring Edraw Mind over AI PowerPoint makers is its illustrative diversity, allowing you to customize diagrams within slides. It offers distinctive diagrams involving mind maps, flowcharts, org charts, fishbone, family tree, and more. You can personalize the font styles, sizes, colors, and more from its built-in resource collection. While we move forward to the next section of the video, tell me, who needs to become more familiar with the mighty ChatGPT? This part is going to be about text to presentation generation using Edraw Mind and ChatGPT integration. Once you type a prompt in the text box, the AI efficiently crafts an outline of a related topic for your presentation. Wait, the wonders of these words to PowerPoint AI don't end here. Once you have the outlines, you can copy and paste them on Edraw Mind for details and add them to the text box. Once a presentation is generated, the tool offers a diverse range of AI slide templates. You can choose any template that aligns well with your presentation topic and locks a glance on itself. However, you cannot edit the presentation content within this tool once it's generated, but you can export it in PowerPoint format and then make changes to it. Now that you are aware of this PowerPoint Creator AI, it is time to try out this brand new functionality. So step one is we are going to go into Edraw Mind right here. So once you get the required information, proceed to the tool. As you find yourself on its homepage, select this button over here, and then you can go to AI PowerPoint from the available options. As you find yourself on a new window, type in the prompt for the PowerPoint that you want to generate. Prompt should be within 300 characters, so give a prompt that fits in well. For instance, you can provide the following prompt to generate a perfect presentation against the required topic. So let's put exotic and native fishes habitat overlap information to cover in the PowerPoint. One is the method, so environmental variable measurements. Number two, the result, environmental factors and crayfish abundance. Number three, discussion, environment conditions in natural and modified habitats. So then I'm gonna press this. So step three, you will receive a redefined presentation outline from the AI tool, which you need to proceed with by clicking on Generate PowerPoint. On the next window, a complete PowerPoint presentation will be generated within a few moments. So as you can see, it's generating the entire PowerPoint once I pressed go. So awesome. And on this next window, the complete PowerPoint's gonna pop up and you can change the template style of the generated presentation if needed, but then you could continue to the export button. So you can click, and once it's generated, there's options to essentially change the PowerPoint style. You can see when I go through here, pretty advanced PowerPoint stuff, very impressive. As it generates through, you can see on the side here, once the presentation ends up finishing, there will be a PowerPoint style section that showcases a bunch of different options that you can change from a PowerPoint style standpoint. And after that, you can go to the top right here and press export. You can continue to the export button for downloading the generated presentation. What kind of an AI for PowerPoint is it if it cannot represent itself well? The graphical requirements of every one of you are bound to vary. Some require professional and minimal themes for corporate presentations, while others may need aesthetic backgrounds as they work in the fashion industry. Similarly, on some occasions, festive templates seem more fitting than professional ones. To fulfill these visual specifications, this Word to PowerPoint AI comes up with an extensive range of modern styles, vibrant themes, and innovative layouts. Users can incorporate 20 themes under PowerPoint styles, including cartoons, business, black hole, academia, and more, just after generating a presentation. This means your presentations will always have the element of vision and creativity. Since you can only edit the presentation content after exporting it in PowerPoint with this AI presentation maker, you might be in a hurry to do that after choosing a specific style for it. When you click on the export option, you will see multiple formatting options in the new window to choose the format. You should choose PowerPoint format if you want to edit the slides further. However, there is a total of 13 formats that you can choose from before exporting. These formats include Word, Graphics, PDF, Excel, HTML, WAV, MP4, and more. In addition, users can directly save a file with this Word to PowerPoint AI on their device and open it in the software to make changes. If you seek to make your PowerPoint presentation more educational, it is advisable to export content as a markdown file on Edraw Mind. Edraw Mind easily creates a mind map out of the provided content on the MD file. You have to work on the following steps to easily create a mind map and export it as a PDF document to add it across any particular file. You can also use the particular diagram across your AI generated presentation. Step 1, open Edraw Mind on your computer and continue to the import section from the left. Conversely, you can open this section by clicking the File tab from the top, select the Markdown option to import the Markdown file from your computer. On importing, the platform automatically creates a mind map, which can be further edited. You could then continue towards the export options for exporting the mind map as a PDF document. As you can see right here, you can go here and then press PDF for export as well. Once you have created slides with AI and exported them, it is time to edit them using Edraw Max. You can incorporate many types of animations, effects, transitions, and slideshows from there. Now, we all know that diagrams increase knowledge comprehension as the mind is more attracted to images and leaves a lasting impression. There is no need to look further for diagrams, as Edraw Mind Word to PowerPoint Maker has the perfect styles of diagrams to enhance your content. With the help of Edraw Mind, you can generate AI-powered editable mind maps that will highlight the critical points of your presentation. Now, let's discuss some examples of mind maps that you can create with Edraw Mind. Example 1, you can use its right map to summarize the presentation content in one slide. It has many colorful designs and diverse structures for the right maps, which users can prioritize. It assists while concluding presentations, executive summaries, and more. Example 2. Then we have tree maps that are well suited for personal note-taking tasks, as you can add branches for categorization of content and adding reference cases. They will help you during tests and exams to note down key concepts and revise afterward in a quick manner. Example number 3. Do you also confuse historical events and find it difficulty to memorize dates? Another one of Edraw Mind AI's presentation tools is the horizontal timeline option for historical presentations or topics that include a chronological sequence of events in the related field. You might be wondering, if everyone uses this Word to PowerPoint app for creating presentations, no uniqueness will be left. This part of the video is going to solve that for you. Wondershare Edraw Mind has a wide array of templates for your diagrams to help you generate exclusive and engaging content. Once you choose a diagram layout, it is time to pick an AI PowerPoint template that fits with the presentation's theme. You can discover templates from its template library for all categories, including education, work, life, events and trends, and others with subcategories. Its collaboration with Pexels and Iconfront added a series of stickers and emojis in its library for uplifting your presentations. Along with diagrams, templates, and backgrounds, Other elements add value and versatility to your presentations. Those elements might seem invisible or unnecessary, but they can add to your presentation's outlook. Following the aspects of uniqueness, this ChatGPT presentation creator has added multiple font styles, colors, and sizes. Once you have incorporated the diagram of your choice in the content, you can alter the map layout, add further branches, change the color of the lines connecting branches, edit each box individually with different shapes and colors, and fill in these boxes. In addition, you can add or remove borders of these boxes and incorporate clip art and marks with this Word to PowerPoint generator. As we conclude our video, let's summarize everything we have learned about AI presentations and how this Word to PowerPoint creator can help us fulfill our journey. You have learned how to create a presentation using ChatGPT functionality and customize it further by incorporating themes, fonts, and templates. Moreover, its cloud storage and cross-platform compatibility allows users to access their presentations from anywhere, anytime. Users can also make teams on it and share their work speedily with their teammates, classmates, or partners. Hence, it's an all-in-one AI presentation maker that you must try to exceed in your personal and professional life.